Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I will show you how to stop Twitter highlights from pestering you with unrelated notifications. Do you also hate highlighting notifications and find it unnecessary? You don't have to live with them anymore, so let's find together how to stop them. So, social networks are always trying to get you to engage more with their service, and recently, Twitter has introduced a new trick, which is highlight notifications. As you can see, this is one of them right here. This means highlight, yes, this blue thing, purple thing. So, highlights are, in theory, yeah, it's all cool, but content Twitter thinks that you'll want to see because of a secret algorithm. We would like to know about would like to know more about that algorithm because I really don't have any idea why most of those tweets show up on my feed. Yeah. So if a few people you follow all share the same link or have a conversation, you might get a notification. Like as you can see this one, I am following this person right here and it's showing me which tweet she liked, right? Uh, do I really want to know that? I don't know. So, what we're gonna do for this time, like highlights are available and they can make their way to other platforms very soon also. And unfortunately, there's not a lot you can do about them, but like you cannot turn them off completely, which that might be a bad or a good thing because sometimes the best tweet that I've seen is because of these highlights also, but the most, like, how can I say, I really don't know what it's to do with my feed. There those kind of tweets are they're also there because of highlights. So the best thing we can do about this is this: we're going to ask Twitter to show them way less often and turn off those push notifications so we don't get them. So here's how to do both. As you can see right now, I'm in the Twitter's notifications pane. Of course, you have to log into your Twitter before even getting here. Let's assume that you got here and as you can see, it's blue right now because I have gotten them. And what I'm going to do is this. As you can see, this is one of them. Asisha Erotica liked a tweet from Berke. I really don't want to know about it. I really don't care what she likes or no, I love her. That's why I'm following her, but I just want to see her tweets most of the time. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, there's an arrow on this top corner, right corner. So I'm just going to click see less often. As you can see, thanks, Twitter will use this to make your experience better. I'm hoping that will happen that one. That will happen that way. Because I remember doing this way long ago and I kept getting them. That's how I know. So the other thing what we're gonna do is we're going to go here to our settings and we're gonna go to notifications, and from notifications there are some things we're gonna go to push notifications, and my push notifications are on, of course, as you have seen. So what I'm going to do from there, I'm going to turn off my push notifications because I don't want to get them. Maybe this could be the only way that I can take those things out of my feed. This is the way I'm thinking right now. So what I'm going to do, I will just or I can just as you can see, it's saying popular in your network. I can turn this off because they're in my network and they're popular, those tweets that they liked or something. Maybe that's the reason why they're showing. I can turn it off by clicking and the blue tick disappears, or I can just turn off my push notifications. But of course, when you turn it off, you're also missing these ones, so you know better. But I will do this because I really don't want to get any of those things. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this video, this content, ask me on the comments. I will be there answering those questions for you one by one. And also, if you have any other questions about Twitter or maybe another app, something else, you can something related with technology and apps, you can ask them in the comments so I can come and answer your questions. And if you have any suggestions like, oh, maybe you should do this kind of videos more, or you should do these things more, or this thing less, you can also let me know on the comments about them so I can read them and be like, yeah, okay, we can figure these things out, right? So thank you for watching. If you have liked this video and if this content helped you, please don't forget to like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do not forget to hit that button too. Thanks for watching again, and see you in the next video.